Brong region, Ahafo region, and Bono East region are undergoing a massive transformation with road infrastructure projects. The Honorable Minister for Roads and Highways, Francis Asensio-Boakye, toured the three regions to assess progress of work and urged contractors to work extra hard to meet their project completion dates.
From this stretch up to Sankore, by BKC has promised that by end of October, he will complete his job and the road will be open to traffic.
Christened the Ahafo Dubai, the minister inspected the completed 40-kilometer Bichim-Tichimentia Akomadan road project, for which commuters and community members hailed its transformative impact on the entire corridor. Another project inspected was the 10.2-kilometer Afrisipa-Techre bypass on the Sunyani-Kumasi highway, which is about 78% complete. Upon completion in May this year, it will enable Newmont Ghana Limited begin its mining operations in the catchment area without any interference on the main carriageway.
Sunyani towards Kumasi from Afrisipa ends at Techre, so you can call it the Techre bypass. This is a mining area, so the bypass became very important. And you can see the very beautiful overpass there. That's supposed to allow smooth mining operation that will not interfere in the main flow. It's a 10.2-kilometer road, 75% of the work has been done. The next major activity on the road construction will be the asphalt overlay. I'm very positive that the contractor will adhere to the schedule so that we will come back and commission the road so that the people can also have the full benefits of the road project.
In the Bono region, the minister handed over the 119-kilometer Birikum Sampa Road project to Messrs. Rango Construction Limited to commence work, whilst in Ahafo, he handed over the Gorso Tepa Road project to Messrs. Kofi Job Company Limited to begin construction by the end of April 2024. The Honorable Minister also inspected some critical roads in bad shape, like the Wenchi Fiapre in Swatre and Udumasi town roads in the Bono region. He also inspected the Shidiem Kenyasi Road and the Nobeko Sankore Road in the Ahafo region, as well as the Boyim and Asui roads, and Nkoranza town roads, and the Atebubu Kwame Damso roads in the Bono East region. Honorable Asensio-Boakye engaged the three regional ministers, some traditional rulers, and opinion leaders on the development agenda of the three respective regions. The Honorable Minister reiterated the point that progressively government is realizing its goal of reconstruction and rehabilitation and maintenance of our major and critical trunk roads in all parts of the country.